It's Jessica Joy with This Is My Story Solutions. Who are we? We are individuals sharing the reality of pornography's destruction, and together we are creating a nation without exploitation. Today we will answer the question of how does a bill become a law? If you see the value in this, will you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified of our next teaching video? Step 1 on how does a bill become a law? Step 1, someone says to a legislator, there should be a law on ... Step 2, a legislator writes a proposal with the bill drafting office or agency. Step number 3, bill introduction. The bill sponsor introduces the bill to the chamber. It is given its first reading, receives a number, and is assigned to a committee. Step number 4, committee consideration. In committee, the sponsor requests a public hearing for the bill. The committee discusses the bill and hears comments from the public. The public is highly encouraged to participate. Step number 5, the committee can, option number 1, pass the bill and send it to the floor with or without amendments. Option number 2, pass it and send it to another committee. Option number 3, pass it and place it on the consent calendar for non-controversial items. Your option number 4 is to send it to the floor or committee with no recommendations. Or option number 5, kill it by vetoing it down, tabling it, ignoring it, or returning it to the author. Step 6. When passed out of the committee, the bill is given a second reading and is scheduled to be discussed and debated by the whole chamber. Step number 7, floor consideration. The bill is placed on the calendar for a floor vote. The bill is read for the third time and faces debate and vote by all members. Step number 8. If passed, the bill is sent to the other chamber where it goes through the same process of committee and floor votes. Step number 9. If bills pass in both chambers, are identical, then they are sent to the governor. Step number 10, conference committee. If bills differ, one chamber can concur with the other's amendments or go to conference committee. The conference committee of senators and representatives debate on a compromise, and that bill is sent to each chamber for approval. The bill is given another reading in each house and a final vote. The new bill is then sent to the governor. Step number 11. The governor signs the whole bill, signs the line item vetoes, vetoes the bill, or pocket vetoes the bill. Step number 12. If vetoed, the bill goes back to the legislature for reconsideration. A 2/3 vote of both the Senate and the House is required to overturn a veto. Step number 13, the final step. If the government signs or both chambers override the governor's veto, the bill becomes law. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's video, please click the subscribe button, the like, thumbs up, and the little bell to be notified of our next teaching. Thank you.